they won the trophy. That was the first and last time a club from the Balkans AJ Champions League. A team complete of Sinisa Mijalovic, Dejan Sarvicevic, Robert Prosnecki, coached by Lupiko Petrovic. Ekoje Champions League no Edema Red Star.
That go for me and Zambo Mudina. Omonkwane Yasimo.
Mira.
Bomo no ball no ball.
Pa.
So Chibi will be ramu team sack.
Pa. Sarvicevic. And the
Barcelona for their final be similar.
It's the greatest one-sided final from start to finish. Roberto Massaro. Oh, Massaro. Hey, Johan Cruyff to know you say. I am almost Alex Ferguson. Barcelona no Alex Ferguson. Oh, na Franco Baresi.
Champions League final engineer na me.
Oh, Massa Jaja. Omedi kai chomo tu cry chomo tu. Inti Mira. Send the rest are Samba Champions League nima. A political connotation Mira because. Strangely, Omoji Champions League in 91, 92, and a Soviet war in Baya, a man and ever since the breakdown of the Soviet republics, Mira, they've not been able to win again. Players need be free Croatia, be free Slovenia, Zlatko Zahovic, I mean Suka Munina, Mira Imwacheche, and the Red Star Eba. Na more can 70 bebre na on European pedigree Manchester City are no better than Red Star Belgrade. We needed to state that for you today. On the matter of European pedigree, Manchester City are not better than the people they are playing today.
Yes.
And it's an opportunity for our own Osman Bukari and any teammates, no. So maybe politics. The boss.
I know your body be body tia.
Boss.
Skill for no.
Yeah, to skill for Red Star. Ibrahim Tanko no Dortmund. Amoji no Bobby. So no Bobby nti dey body dey. Abedi pele Amoji no Bobby. Samu ko for Amoji no Bobby. Onya be bi buy yourself bondi ba. Tis abedi e onye no. So pushed everything in and Osman Bukari and co. They don't need to beat Manchester City. But in recent times Sompa Kaya Liverpool ko lose 2-0.
Yes.
Na Makasa will pay top money to be in that stadium for that derby against Partizan Belgrade. I'm so happy for Osman and Red Star politically. It's not say UEFA any European Union Ejda Mpaba Kusuntino. Ever since Omainu Muchiche no Omonfre team the Red Star Belgrade BM. Rather they call them by their native Serbian name. International Siachro Crvena Zvezda. That's the team they call them, Red Star Belgrade. So welcome back to one of the traditional boys who chose the finest hour to signify a momentous occasion for their country and for an entire region, the Balkan region. And it's good to have them back in the competition and at the big time. UEFA Akwako bien krata mu club financial control body ni investigative PSG. Kwa mo fa so ton Verratti 45 million. Abdou Diallo 15 million. Asa hwe nyame eton Julian Draxler so 20 million. Emma Al Arabi ene Al Hilal e o Qatar. Na no ena PSG for so ka che UEFA say esremu pi. QSI no omo na ewo ni PSG. QSI omo ni shares bia o Al Arabi mu. Omuni shares bia Al Ali ntino munyo moduma. Why not? European Clubs Association chairman Nidin the saying Nasser Khalifi ntino be fahin akoji being sport for sikaba be catchom so be chom na yin bia Alansa Maxima if the Newcastle PIF Newcastle e call PIF Al Hilal Al Ali no muka bi chire no that this is the football another some multi-club ownership or some state back club network. I'm the best face so
yeah the harbor
automatically 80 million these were unwanted players. They are getting 80 million for them. You say asem no pia kwa kan kwa se wa na asaba tumba ko eneno kwan ane ma fa so so say Germany your national team coach Alles klar Willkommen Bundestrainer, the one and only junior leaguers man cap in Germany AJ. You know biamba obium. So on minor break na coach no so abre. There must be a compromise. So what I say, Nancy son, you may be if you see we know Jamin Kwan in him near bear. So what I say, and I hear about a born now is in the boss. Thank you, Medimasa Musi, Germany or national team coach, European Championship in the time so Obiamra. TV video way, Sheffield United manager Simbia Oka.
Listen, it's not funny. The referee's just killing the game at the minute, ruining it, absolutely ruining it. I've got no qualms over the result, and you could see me from 0-0. I'm doing because he's telling our keeper to hurry up. So we split to play out. Just look at all the goal kicks. We split to play out. So we play to, and now we play to bash. We play forward. So then we do it again, get out a couple of times. So what Spurs are going to do? They're going to change. So they put the ball down. Spurs change. So Wes has to make a different decision, and he's getting told to play. Well, no, you why would you play then? Spurs have adapted to us, so then we have to change again and play something different. Then when he handles outside the box, he's booked, and you've got Peter. I have no problem with Peter. Him and David, good guys, but the referee's just showing how little they know about the game, and they're directing it. So how can that be possible? So I go and show them at half time. I want to show them, but I know they can't see it. So we're not taking long and go. From the moment it's down, they're taken within 10 seconds, right? From the moment it's down. But what happens is, like, because we're getting out and playing to Ollie and keeping the ball, Spurs change what they do. So Wes has a different decision to make, but he can't make his decision until Spurs have moved. Does this make sense? And the referees haven't got a clue. They don't know what I'm saying. The answer back to me was, well, kick long then. So we work all week on how we want to play, and the refs are dictated to us how we play the game. Can't happen, but it's happening.
What do you want them to change?
Understand the game. They've got obsessed with this time wasting, with these yellow cards for this and this and this. They came over and warned about multi-ball 4 times. You're meant to get rid of it if you're not happy with it. You just kept coming over. Guess what happens then? Slows the game down again. Haven't got a clue what they're doing. Haven't. Not a clue. And they're ruining the game. They are absolutely ruining it. How can VAR look at centre-back jumps into Wes, turns his back, leads with his elbow, Wes gets stitches, and that's deemed a yellow card. Ollie McBurney goes to the referee and says he's pulling my shirt. Not swearing. He goes to the referee. This is actually, I'll see it. He's pulling my shirt. He gets booked. Deemed the same offence. We've got a player missing now. They just do not know what they're doing. And it's nothing to do with the result. Like I said, I was doing it from 0-0. I speak to them all the time. Went to see them at half-time. I was doing it when we were 1-0 up. Everyone can see it. Both sets of players are frustrated, both sets of staff are frustrated, all the fans are frustrated. Why? Because the people who are directing our game haven't got a clue about our game. They don't know football. Do not know it.
That's a messy.
Only at the MZ matches, man, who you know.
Niokano, the Hen no credit.
No crew, but
a match need or see, the striker coy, and my Eddie and Sawo and Niasi. And a pie, play a yellow card. The striker so referee chuma tell you yamani yellow card or no action the team kwa mo pass on pass frechi or say emran say 10 seconds so the ball not to form now you so goal kicker or the two 10 seconds or so okay kick ball o mni goalkeeper no the two bia no catch and say defenders ni mium no mo pass na mum on delay ball no until the 8 second on one kind asa no pass boy na yes so pass ball na referee na kono no stop ball no no kasache say do delay me yellow card o yes and the momentum na wudum nija
Yo, Mate, Mr. Kobo with the anointing partner, Niwat Scientific Clinic and Diagnostic Services. Maka, Zemna, Dr. Nimo Baba being Kunyadi, a doctor, or Janana so bridge mapa, Nebana would you sensem, or ye Bema, Natchez or Baby Diana now Tidiano, or how a Niwat Scientific Clinic and Diagnostic Services, or and also Rania Bois. Now, also no Timinia, why I sananema kuyepa, etimi edi ema na halitosis, uyubia, o kasa, or Numon Canebano, and Shada and your brainer, what ye to me if you or Barney Bema sene, peba, no can say how be o buy a bit do sunia buania ye, etimi if you Namiarian and Neno, a dunya nafi, under 1 minute memano, yana mume chada padodo, when you mona munij money yinano, your brain wabwana, what did you say? Open so pejam kakra transitional from wiser to beam nation. Now didn't what you do. Baby girl no penon zampa and then macra match you are better me. Nina doc we bomb dear young wage man a man or so no or bomber if you are be if you after no or some bomber center boat na wikino or my baby chichi a day ya kono a banasa now soon get me about 50 I would wanna BT cancer, hepatitis B, kidney disease, liver, typhoid, stroke, diabetes, and now how on cast anymore. Me patrol a Niwat Scientific Clinic and Diagnostic Services. So, Dr. Mobrain Wabwa, Yazine Umu Yari Crown or Bomodin, Etuana Momboa, Manema ye pedma no enhwemu ni nti no waye enhwemu ahu se habamba no we ne timi yaye we a obre no waboa na so no we nya waya isa na ne laboratory services no scan services no and afi machines ye bre ne de ahwe onipa duanim ahu bebi a ha no wo no ejuma no ye ni kumase eye joda kokusi memenda no pe bia 7:30 am de ko ekokura mu 6 pm na afi nkran so no eno so no ya woda ekokusi memenda 7:30 am de ko ekokura mu 6 pm na munkomo ne sere nhye ni tie kumase open a atonso Monaco Jan show seat adansi we abang no Accra orwani chimo sekra na jese fotorama omo ewo na Gorio station no opposite NS Chemist ko na yemwa na so no GYI season so nko a ena bia ba ko edin fidie be wura ne bibia o ha no ne abo 0244 087687 0244 087687 and 0279 087687 0279 087687 Tiramu na Dr. Nimomwa na onsano enfama na so GYI sa apostle akwaba
Mejo so abo
na bibia aboko medase pa
maintain obiaka now sisi ano Dr. Patrice Bochepe or the na sembi okan efa onzo fa konyo si ade ba ko a obeso ye ne se obema claps maintain before me to aso
money to for as part of the $100 million US. Part of the process involves giving every member association at least 100, well, let me say, giving $1 million every year to every one of the 54 member associations as a contribution to football development, to the youth development, and to football overall in every one of the countries.
Now, beyond this, the second thing Okan has to do with the Sikao Pese on making sure so they share all the competition. But now, the reason why Enyemingwa because of a club president, formally, says here Niba and Erani Ian Top and Erani Mamelodi Sanders. Because at the time na Sanders AG CAF champion 2016, he was the president of the club. Because we're running football, Nimbold goes into football. So we're passionate about making sure that every club competition, Sompa prize money, ISC Cow Benyano Kosro. On the Cup Super Cup, a course between USMA All-Jazz, Confederation Cup champions, any Ali, our Cup Champions League champion, USM All-Jazz winning. On said they've increased the money after Cup has got a committee of the meeting yesterday evening. I increased this kind of from $200,000 to $500,000.
Yes.
First, not attractive crowd. We need to, but now we share throughout the competition. You know, we Cup Super Cup no free more increasing by. So now Cup Super Cup no we near. So we have some more benya $500,000 from $200,000 previously.
Yes.
And then Ali anya $250,000 from $125,000. So you look, say and see because or shall say you know we're increasing all the competition prize money. Akawi. Do you CAF Champions League? No, we started from AFCON. Who's AFCON from 4.5 to 5 million?
Yes.
Memano.
Yeah.
A AFCON as to speak now moving to $500,000 from $200,000. That's a jump of $300,000. Mema CAF Champions League, I moved from 2.5 to $4 million. Previously 2.5. Share CAF Competition Cup 1.25 million to $2 million. Oba Chan tournament, I moved from 1.25 to $2 million as well. Now, we share my CAF champion like $400,000 near the Ashasi. I think Ashasi, that's the base money. And I think over a period of time, it will increase. Now, clearly, it means that Oba, all competitions, he's been able to increase the prize money from where it was to where it is today. Now, and now we share my CAF Champions League now. So we now G 400,000. Semi-final is no 250,000.
Yes.
Then the third in a group, because there are 8 teams, 2 groups. Third in a group, 200,000. Now, what's your fourth? Say, Ampim Dakwa will be entitled to $100,000. Yes. Because they've qualified to be in the group. To final say, they don't even go anywhere on board. If they are fourth in the group, they're entitled to $100,000. That is how important this competition has become today. And as a result of that, this year, we AS FAR of Morocco, defending champion, Mamelodi Sundowns and Mano 2021, a maiden edition champions, no. And AS Mandi, Waffle Zone A champion, some free Mali, no. We are 5 debutants. 5.
Yes.
And two say Atletico Abidjan or host Mano team, no. I think almost first time ni. JKT of Tanzania almost first time ni. Ampim Dakwankasa first time ni. Sports Casablanca, Emano. This is their first time coming to the competition. Now look at last year. Who was Simba Queens? Omamba. Green Buffalo, Zambia. Omamba. Determined Ladies from Liberia. Omamba. Wedi Degla. Omamba from Egypt. TB Mazembe Ladies. Hurricane Queens. Omo Free. Equatorial Guinea. Omo Omaba replaced. So they didn't knock them out.
Yes.
So in 1 year, because Sika Bemu, there's investment, there's money. All of a sudden, you're having fresh new 5 teams coming in. I'm do 20 former representatives, no? It show the growth of Marble, no? The competition that is coming to the women football. So very laudable. Now, there's a trend emerging now, and the Omo CAF champions look very careful. Trend is starting emerging, but ebedum here now. So CSI emerging. So a lot of people have to get this. Look, in 1992, near started the CAF Super Cup.
Yes.
93, and thank God that the maiden edition there was a Ghanaian. The maiden edition 93, no, now a African sport like Cote d'Ivoire, one's very powerful team, Sekou Bamba's team, very powerful team. And we need against that time Vital or Burundi. The cup, we started a Cup Winners' Cup. And a CAF Cup champions next year. Second British Cup in 2004. Yes. Cup Winners' Cup. Never Cup Winners' Cup or CAF Cup. And so the champions African sports met work with that athletic club, almost Al Hilal, for the finals. They won. Who was the coach? Ibrahim Sunday.
Wow.
Yes. Yeah, coach. So what's the last Mikado said? When we talk about the CV of Ibrahim Sunday, CV, Kessia, Chen coach Bia. Chen coach club level, Chen coach Bia. Chen coach Bia in the history of Ghana football. So there's here. Now you want that. Now from that, then came another surprise again. So and on the Cup Winners' Cup, I did 20 champions. Then 1997, Okay Raja and Gophers. They see a penalty shootout. 1997. The Etoile Sportive Eshe Farabat, a winning cup. They met Etoile Sportive winners. So 2 Cup Winners' Cup for Aji Champions League referee. Then you realize in 2011, Maghreb First, a Moroccan club winning Confederation Cup. Almost CS for 3-time champions of the Confederation Cup.
Sompa Sports.
Afro Harrison. I always say that Afro Harrison's proud goal that won the Champions League for Espanyol de Tunis against Wydad Athletic in 2011. Ombeshia Maghreb First win here. Now from that time, train and Koswa till 2018. Now the last 4 Super Cup champions, CAF Champions League champion. 2018, Raja Casablanca, Atabekai very well. They were in a group, ASEC, Adriana, and Vita Club.
Yes.
And Raja and Vita co-finals. And Raja win here. Then 2018, Moen Shabani was doing something wonderful with Espanyol de Tunis. And the Espanyol de Tunis chair, Ali, a winning Champions League. But when they met, who won? Raja, a Confederation Cup champion, dethroned the camp champion. 2019, Zamalek, Eshe, RS Bekan in the Confederation Cup final. And then after that, Esperance again beat WAC, that controversial Champions League final. Referee Alfred Cambi handled that particular match. I issued by Bibi. Later, I had issues with CAF president Ahmad at that time.
Wakali Gasama.
Yes. Then after that is that particular competition. We share bar. So Esperance are losing 2 CAF Super Cup to Raja and Zamalek. Then 2021, RS Bekane, Eshe Orlando Pirates of South Africa, who won the champion with that athletic club Eshe Ali, and they met in the Super Cup. RS Bekane share WAC 2-0. In fact, one of the teams Amumbu WAC Power Morocco RS Bekane. Then this year again, Al-Bashak Bakitha, the coach of USM Warriors, Etimi Editroni Ali in the Super Cup. Now Ali are 8-time champions. Ali are the finalists when it comes to the Super Cup. Now this coach mastered defensive masterclass. USM Warriors throughout the competition, a defensive masterclass.
Yes.
The captain has scored a penalty. Zeledin Zened, and Adam Aliat. Then you have Nabil Lamara at left back, and then right side Redwani on the right, and Osama Kita, Ibrahim Benzaza. These 2 defensive played double pivot on behalf, Papa. But what led to what happened to Ali, and the coach is meeting the president today of Ali, because Ali almost losing matches, but they don't understand why they should lose this game, because the coach only a mistake be, and he himself has admitted post-match, but he might lose his job for that if he's not taking care. Because first of all, you go into a game with 3 new midfielders, only naive, Slim Redder, or a new guy, or governor of Rifa, Atia Marwan, or a young guy, but also handy fat, they've not got a replacement for handy fat as you speak now. Then you go and bring Imam a show. Honestly, a young midfielder, Zamale player no call Itiade Baye, no. Now you have Aliu Den playing as a number 10. Aliu Den does not play there. Pesita or bench, Taha or bench, Afsha Mabi or bench. Now that is why the president Kati Mahmoud is saying that today he's having an emergency meeting with the coach to come and explain why. Okay, I say Ali Eluzi Egyptian Cup. Emma almost find a piece of money.
Yes.
Because to Oluzi to El Galal. Because to Ali, you know, this is the stand I keep talking about. Omono lose to a team on your top 10 team. So lose for out of Lions. Maybe as a third week, not your top 10 team. The coach either be fired or be questioned. So that's their standard. Now they don't understand why this cup they've dominated, so when they need this one to be the 9th one, they'll go and lose. So he's meeting the president today to explain to the president on why they lost, or else one of the teams are almost pump coaches of Africa power like Real Madrid, Ali. This alone can lead to a dismissal.
We don't want
because he can't. Because you have the players there. Pesitao start your game. Your Champions League on boy, you know. Pesitao start. Pesitao starts only Caraba, but Efa. He started from the bench because Adeno lightly. He took it for granted. What do you say? Hussein Esha, he doesn't start. They almost started in rather front three, no, apart from Caraba, they were on the bench. Aliu then look up, Aliu then plays Amre Sulai Epra. So now you don't have Hamdi Fati to available. Only better option like it used to be. And Tinyawano Boniye, unfortunately, he didn't do that. And when you don't, only players quite different, but you have them, but you face to Felisa Muye. So I hope that Mahmoud Khatib, the meeting is 4 p.m. today. So one team and convinced and they don't care about they because of more quality. Some people call Master Kolaba, so Champions League.
Yes.
So they don't necessarily care much about the coach, but they care much about the quality materials at their display. Because on Sanyimba 2 3 2 4, it's not the same coaches that won it. 2 coaches won it for them because they had quality players.
Yes.
So they are here. So I wish him all the best today because meeting be here to me. I share more power. We will check Mahmoud Khatib. After the penalty was called in the San Agudetise, that's how important it means. And then because almost set a high bar, high standard when it comes to them, that I had their top 10 team cannot beat us. That is them. We don't set standard, but they still say high standard. But once I want African teams, you know, almost Musha Champions League for you know, so no African teams, you know.
Yeah.
Because margin, no quality of material margin, and shed and wasa. Enter on Multimedia Champions League club.
Mante, my call 52 Estate Construction Limited on my so yesimadu ye ninkomo kakranere na yenye ya na yendi di koma obayigazi na ampo moko
o nyankopo adu bia ye fine fine
niama de da ye
bia de da ye
yemra mene 52 Estate Construction Limited ye mo de mai
ya yenchiachifo ne ahwefo nyina na yemoma kwaba emfamomra 52 Estate Construction as usual ye de ye ensase ene yeton na yeton sase yeton fie na yetofie ye dwumadi adi no na yesi adan enso so edema manfo bia waye ready aboa no na weekend na say metia ho se memera ho papa seriously ni nyina ne se yese ye wo mrantie bi wo krom ha oje bosia de koye wedding
OTB sa weekend
se wo mrantie bi wo krom ha oje bosia e de kokoware we di empanyimfo manimu ade wuti ni fie
eze
ana wadwene nya adwuma
azebu alo ade o
so kwaje bosia de akokoware sesen obeje bosia da ba 52 estate abeto asase na atimi abo wachina na ode kwakoware na ade ache na kikiri na bepie Sompa na enwumre asem benipa ana my program ni din no se no ano no ana se
roba asem benipa na Sompa
nkomo ai kanze ai
bula
mo na akofa asem foforo na ediaba when you sika na akɔpɛ bosia de ayɛ agyapadeɛ de akɔpɛ bosia de abɔ bra ayɛ bibia yɛ investment bi da akye timi abɔ wa wo se mekɔgye bosia kɔware ei memeti we menye bosia even 100 Ghana cedis kwa sɛ me de ware da 100 Ghana cedis kura keke kura no menyi bi da sɛ me de kwa kɔware sɛ o me ware o me ho nso aka me sika o mo bosia 100 cedis fa so me sika so fa menye bi da ne wiase asɛi because me ware dodo me din kan ware first one aka be 3 and 4
okay
ai yeah me sika ba me ware pa enti wo ya brand na wasi so na wo bobra me serew pa asase ne to asase amanso ni ho a wonya problem de e 52 estate nansanya weekend ye moment nam social media no so the evidence so me hu se nkrofo no de 15 aba 15 na 15 no mo de about the difference wo ma yem say e charger na type C any difference na me say gig no e no mo de bia keka ho ne ade ade a eno ni difference wo abranche bi ha no ho kura 14 13 or ha no ho akwa pesika edi asoso akwakoye balancing
akwaji 15
akwaji 15
na ato asase na den sem
difference wo ma ya type C o charging no wise o ma na type C ene gege no di bia keka ho ne ade ade eno anu 15 aba obi kwa akwati bia be 12,000 13,000 14,000 edi akwakoto sa half plot ndi ato ne nsem wo bra 52 estate asase 30,000 ekọ 40,000 ekọ ubetimi aba betua half no ya ma 20 bars of cement ade start wadwuma 15 aka ni spread ya mawo wonya ntobase tuatua ne kakra kama ho samtam onyi wasase umpe we na apedai aya no no kwakoto half plot dia enhye no mo nhye ne nso obi ho ma ba bia asase ne da no eda krom yesi dan atwa ho nyina hia ena no na akam na bia ne bakọ no oton ukọbọ ne bo ana ase wosu obo no bia 100,000 bia 90,000 na wosu sika 30,000 fa bra be ma ba bia hojo hoye kama na wosu watimi ato ba bia osika no esokoduru bia no 52 estate be mo asase na wonso so watimi ato opedan ahan ase de na meka no ofre ne be mo bi na wonso so watimi ahan na etimi aboa wo yi no eto nchen a ye renovation enti wutie ebia wo fie na di 30 years 40 years 50 years opese esesa ho ne ma edema wa fa bedan 52 estate da bia meka 52 estate nkoane estate company ana construction a yen no ye wo carpenter for a obayi wadwuma kama board down so de ama wo a unya problem bia ye wo mason for besi wo dan no kama e de ama wo e free e flow level e kwa kokodu lent kokodru be bia dan e wo se kodru nyina no ye wo e mason for omudi sa adwuma ni nyina e de ma wo 52 estate nko a ene wo plumbers a obeba ofie ho obeye plumbing works bia wo nyina e de ama wo unya bi wo ba bia 52 estate nko a ene electricians a obeba na afie ofie ho obewo ya ho kama bibia eso so etimi di ama wo ye wo tiles ho no beto tiles di ama wo ye wo painter ho be paint wo dan no so etimi e di ama wo 52 years di ye no ye bibia wunya bi wo ba bia eno 52 estate ye na so de bedan kuma se antro kwantempon so page 4 obeduru ho na ye bo ho ye signboard ne sikwan no kama bra office wo no mo beba ye omrante no ba wo ho no mai no betra se ni wadi nkomo kama na won so wani atimi age enkran ye achimota gempa kwantempon no so wo no mo a Kofume Plaza brosana se ho so obeduru ho so na ye 52 estate ye bo ho no mo a obeba na ne ababedi nkomo ye number no ye 0556 72 33 38 0556 72 33 38 and now 0531 52 57 97 and here numbers are offer na ye beje wo so na abu ansa na mekono obofo heba mixture ye ni anka so obofo ya last chance see how the heba mixture ediaba bedwa so kama pa ebetu yenya da wanyina ase na nyankopon ya adoma holiday ye di anim ya 21st September ye health walk ewo Kumasi a ye nyina ebehia wo Kumasi City Mall ho ne nyina bedinka kwakohia na afi ya hyase ananti Kumasi ne mountain so na ya hyase abo edro no ho edawuro enti onte ya me invite wo
mate meba
sports gurus ewo kromu anyina eba wate ho asem dada wate na ze nyi wade foforo oh okay ye de nyame se wate na nyi wase foforo di nyankopon ya adoma on the 21st of this month is Thursday nyina ye hie Kumasi City Mall obofo heba mister ye nyina ye twa hie mu ya nante atetene ya pom ya tetene ya pom ya faso ne ya lanchi aduru no na obi atimi akodwa so akokopebi na ono so atimi ato na atimi abo no tietefo ne adofo nyina enhye no nso but 52 Estate Construction Limited ode be top phone ato wonsam ode be bo preman e de atwa wonum no de mesrew Fabra 52 Estate Fabra tasase
Mate meda se pa koso arawa cha ma amame enti ye dan wo ye kwede ba penafi diakibia ato aso de amamo
wa hwese wakosho akodi dwa hodo basket ma emu provisions ene nyoma hodo ehia opa we delay musa edru so na ukotua nso a yaka kire wo se untimi nchante ye me chance na ma na so ya keke nemum o de Vodafone cash dia uni how cry yaka ko bebia say dia untimi de Vodafone cash etua merchant bia or what network bia so straight direct sharp enti say water provisions fuel inro inuane me kire say bia o pese wo ye bia no Vodafone cash ama na ye mremremra ma o ye hia o be ya de say o be dial *110# netua ka ko merchant bia ho e wo network bia so
Vodafone. Play now Landio, Ghana's #1 casino game. Aviator Al Landio Betway Airport. Betway, for the love of the game. Bet the responsible way. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Terms and conditions apply.
That's a long ball into the penalty box right now, and number 7 receives that. He's gone past the defense. This must surely be it. Goal!
With only 50 pesos, you can win 5,000 Ghana cedis weekly in the Betway Tap-In Jackpot. Diwihine. Bet responsibly. Not for persons under the age of 18. This advert has been approved by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. So betu kwan akosua de ewa amanone enda from kra. Top tier amana ye fo. Achechefo a ye de omo ye adwuma no. Etutu kwan esua de ewa amanone emfi bebre. Ye betimi aboa. Amwa bo degree or masters or postgraduate or doctorate or US, UK, Australia. Any of my mind so bebre. Ye yen chehwe ma one person one short sat IELTS and to fail. So person utu kwan akosua de ewa amanone dia. Empa top tier. Kumasi yewo Amakum Bank of Africa and Temuho. Friend 0260 411 847 and I say +1 646 659 5045. Accra, your Medina, Rolling Circle, Yeni CC Hagan Plaza Building, no, and a bond Renimu, Medina Polyclinic. Your number, 020 3592 008. Takrade, your NK City, Fire Service, and Chenghua. If you have Quanta Road, no so, you bang Fijai School Park. Your number, 059 800 7852. Just study abroad with us. Top tier, we give you wings to study abroad. Top tier, our clients, our priority.
Yareda Akradia for fry your friend of Big Four. Free game pack games no Eddie. Where Akradia net tuning it yet nyadin cry. The number Ahudwa and 930 kosi 9. Impressa de Biara na beka yen kunum difuane ho. Wobe to me at to abefun kratwabia www.gamepackgames.com ana ubebo *946#. Wawo phone so na wo dia man Akradia adumeko eneli. Apene game pack games Akradia iso. Woni mfia du nwotwe a wontimento Akradia yi fa nyansa to Akradia. Big Four from Game Pack Games. More mula, more power.
Esikafo wo krom wo de yi anana nsia didi hu nkomo yi e wakofa abofo fi abrochira ba besin in terms of fefefe sa no akwa ma se abrohafo 52 estate construction and ese dan kama sa no e ka no so nya hu bia o 52 estate construction firms nko na esi wo dan se me ka se wo ka champa tie company ni din and e friend 52 estate construction. Oh, I see. What on sase and adan amanso ni ho and wo si adan so ton wo san manage properties na kire se wo pedan ato wo pasase ato anase wo pedwumaku bia amenesi modern houses amwa nya bi ato a mo na wonim wo fie kura wasi etimo no se ne bratwam na wo jade ma 52 estate construction fo a that is a design in your fabie mu a mo nyese bi mo buda ne nyina guo ba se no besia ye dan modern wan hwe wanka sa wo du fie no wo hura wo hunu wow na wonu mo hefa 52 estate construction e wo Kiseman Dimpa Achimata Road 0556 72 33 38 and the Kumasenso page 4 and 12 Road over 0531 52 57 97. Social media nyanso at 52 estates.
21st clinic aye sciatica expert. Sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no. Se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica. Na etimi bubu oto ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye. Na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia basobo o magine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa. Womuji international awards ahodo womuji local awards ahodo na anu nso na womu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni baabi a gise 21st clinic nkoa womu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a womu gidi womu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ni ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mo ho 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 next 21st clinic wo mo ye sciatica expert.
Alright, Bomode na yetimi to aso e chebe kona yakwa akudin komana abo amane makoye peda manamon great must be enterprise men kan fan chose ne amabomode a Chinese trucks awdona ye the spare parts na baba be run em say spare parts a opibia ya obre papa ye Chinese trucks no omo spare parts no ya na opibia bre Ghana papa na ne a great must be abomode dia baba be run ebo mane makoye peda man tie say how was no trucks and a free sharkman dia aka kadina yere ababa be rama ebo ahmane madadi nso etimi era ma na we no emze nkomo edepe de magana fo nyina no bia aropore na senete yesi engine housing and afi how break drum no and on Nanche Springs no na afi so no orwani echema se preza bar ni nyina dia ba aba be ramo and nso echi no OPV bar how headlight no na afi Shackman H3000 headlight no and a tailist ni nyina dia ba etimi aba be ram se Shackman F3000 headlight no and a filters outdoor na hopsil na afi rebuilt no and also yetimi edia run brake bands na pe brake port back and on a brake port front and a oil bath ni nyina ramu e wo great must be enterprise na ejuma mo bono ano edimpa kuma so pomo a oro ani chemo so ame macro o si kwesi pon SHS no omu ye ejuma uhia na ema bia fa number ina ne omo nkasa na track akese no ye momodin na ye mo na won ema no nya bi 0242 633 091 0242 633 091 0206 404 088 0206 404 088. Yes, Brekum magazine. Oko mabo modern ane no. Sena meke Chinese tracks no spare parts no. Ye de do ne remo no. Nti mo amu Brekum ne bonon patamo no. Monso mon fa number we 0550 630-684 0550-630-684 and a Sunyane magazine so no honso bo mo de na wanya bi number ni 0257-491-211 0257-491-211 niambwa na ne man de di performa maintenance so no obo mo de na wetimi afre na ne great must be aboa na ne ma de ye pa e dia ma na ne no onso no ya hwe na ye di udwuma etimi ra ma nye common so mo a e de be ni aboa na hye na da di so no etimi e de ama kama pass that be so called Enfama 21st Clinic ma cancer sciatica omo ye expert ejuma omo bono ano de sciatica otia as a baby girl bia no ho efe ni din no me pa che ya ye edin kofo bibiri nya che titu ye ya ye transiche no kodwuma ye maame ne ye papa mo e transiche no obonza wa trans ya ma ne to asinti no twetwe no eromo ne church u bibi de bi no wantu anamo a wanhwa na wo ba aba bebubu bia ba kopa ye bre ne aboa no wagia wo na so no enso eye 21st Clinic omo abojuma me ye de nkofo kra fi ama ne mo ba eba beja ya isa wa nya sciatica nkomo nko a ene yare bia edu nya fruity so ba besi na so no ye beboa na ya hwe aso ano de amomo lab kese a ye doso hwe bebi a ye ne hye ya boa na ya so ano na so no we jan na so ntu kwa laboratory services no mo ye scan services no mo ye Friday bia after work to for na je massage na last time I ye call ye de me nine kokosi machine bi so na e wo so me nine ne sa me ambedu fi na muzampa me ho sane me eno na machine treatment no ni nyina di remedy ma more than 15 branches Ghana bibia omo bojuma Kumasi overseas junction obena Afro radio oboase council court ko junction be nyom Accra domin market tu nyom sunyane nkranza techima no be nyom 0249 311 311 0249 311 311 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 niambwa na ne mande da yeso no entimi emfama kama pa game park limit zebra na bra betro Accra de ni bi na boa na nyeska bibiri na no benyeska e game park limit ro games o mo dia abadi da so no a game park games a too much a numbers no from 0 to 9 who ma predict is a lucky 4 ni a simple crowd we no enya ba ku mi na eminya no na de ma no ye dini omobo modern a draw no ye twi ne premier san and or tablet phone and our computer call Google Play Store wa bo modern download the game park games app no game park games app na no site or www.gameparkgames.com www.gameparkgames.com na a simple crowd say network bi abeda star 946 oromo wa bo modern choose lucky 4 no anopa de no nonkono 9 o'clock am ni abomode atwi draw no ewia de no dumienu abono 12 pm ni atwi draw no anwumre so no e ya de no nsia 6 pm ni abomode ram team premier sa no o akonya so be ram na so no wa abomode anyeska na aboama ne madadi pede ama eni la jo matum wanye dumfie du wotwe nko qualify so no odu hu hwem ni eboa na ne makoye kama so no etimi ede ma na totoye no so no etimi ede da yere ma Vodafone semenka emfancho said the month September na yeram no ye the Vodafone SME no ababa bebaze na we no ye dedicated the amount nkofo a omo ye business size bodwa eni de mo apagya kakra na nhehye no omo de aba no ye se SME month no ye boa ne awramu se your Vodafone cashless bazaar and of your business management tips no Vodafone business runaway trade activation no any all customer visit and a customer reward and service discount ni na no ya de omo de awramu eboa na ne ma de di impretimi e de ama na ne omo bomo de omo de all in one communication package for businesses no ababa babazi no na Vodafone one businesses no and to bo modern now do hu rama ye bo modern a 50% discount e rama de man so no utimi sign up antine mo ambo modern boja businesses ne ade no Vodafone so maba e de amamo September bosumi wunti fa number yi na nkomodi de bia ne nchemu a ye mo announce nya ne ye 0507 779000 0507 779 000 0507 779 000 and now call at Vodafone.com. Our bomb now email no or they are for Vodafone Federal Together Vodafone SME month. Good to great with Vodafone Nembwa Nane Mandida Diswe Farmer drinks in you ya boba na me ahodeni aba nyaba betrance na ahye nkra na ne makoyipa etimiera me bako eye mixer 5G habamani nduaba ne yaka edi aboma aboama nino ije na so ayeye djuma grana wo madwen na de benyane no grapes ni yeyem ne ma no adwuma jense no eyi ntini mamoja ne di efusane ena afi so kra green tea no ena ne srade di no ne no madam tugum ma na ze ayebula no de fa mixer 5G ne ye onsa unsu na no mebeboa na weja na so mo a ena bo mo de miso fruit drinks na ba miso no organic fruit susu emu api obobia hu se de panti na bedi nto eyi de dodo na ba be hiem no na wa bo mo de akra bi na yetimi de abran fa namba yi na ne mpemfo ni nkomo bebi obi organa ubenye bi 0246 270221 0246 270221 0558 106348 0558 106348 niambwa na ne mandeda de fama ko for idia mon fama ni enchemu ewo kweku che company limited eastern region for no mon number ni 0243 329414 0243 329414 na KF Kinju enterprise orwani HM no motor so ame kumasi a hanso no GB 054 4483 392 Manage Daniel all 21st clinic and overseas in Patamono Muramo 21st clinic Mama Esther Orwaniche Matcom Royal Ventures Watra Baptist University Buakwa UGB na PNC Ventures sono ewa no manji taxi station also Charity Hospital Junction no obejibi na Nasachi Enterprise sono Asafu Abinchi also VIP car park no ye boano sono wajibi na nema akoye pedi ama mattress ba kwa ye daswa ye danda form ne aso da papa no eye Royal Foam Ghana am Royal Foam mattress na ye dia ba na ba bazo no eye too much na wo daswa unse wada ye papa mu eden o san yusu a eche ye papa ena afi so no wato mu product no ye be ma sumye pa be da so afa adwempa dia ba brabo pa na po na ne ma da ye pa etimi edi amount me pa choko na kokojo de no mo bejuma panti amobo mo dia 16th Ashanti Business Excellence Award ye organize ye on the 20th anniversary mo 24 to the 2nd omunya gold award nye no 12 Ghana Business and Financial Services Excellence Award no ye sambo mo de ekokoje award e ono nei ani yisemne se njuma pa no mo boniti omabo mo de di ultra modern showroom kese pa aberu mo factory premises so asokori mampon ofu anako CCC me pacho okwa ankonya ya bo mo de omo mattress na ye empa ne omo mattress ne damu ene niema hodo na e wo no na kokko eni so ade na so no tobi na mboa ma ne man da de Farmer Royal Foam Rest Assured omo number na efo pa fa na ne omo ni nkomo 0202 271,000 0202 271,000 ne mboa na ne man da ye so entimi enfama na hyehyɛ no enko kama pa enfama ne ye bɔ mɔden na ye twa bet no ne ye di ni bebre na e simple ni nyina ne se bet to esemenka ne mfa ncho ze UC on asaba www.betway.com.gh www.betway.com.gh where mu abɔ mɔden etwa na nso we di na ne makoyi pa e di ama wenye dumfie dun wotwe a o qualify so nso don obehim ne aboa ama ne makoyi da ma betway bet your way na ne man de di so farmer Treaty of Arc Limited Company zenne wo ye health kan ko ade a ye du wuramu nye wo amanone na wakɔ akɔyi adwuma ama ne makoyi pa etimi ye da manti ne Canada UK ababeto de ama yeto kan doctor nurse midwife lab technician and afro betimi ewuramu Canada America South North and South Europe wakɔ akɔto adisua so and akwanya no so da ho etimi ye de man se obawa modena wo ye football and kwa ya gi sports visa etimi ye da man ne wo nsa no dwuma mpo ni bia Malta Italy Romania ababeto a Treaty of Arc obekɔ wa ye dwuma wa giska bibre Ghana setena fono obeso tra baby ti se Canada US UK Shingi State be here near the world na ma no fa na ne omu ni nkomo ne mbo 0531 644 217 0531 644 217 and 0531 633 556 0531 633 556 and 0205 5720760 0205 5720760 nyambwa na ne mandeda di pen fama Juma Kumaso Pomoa Adwa to Masala Chomo Benabreport Junction Kasua New Market Road no Fidelity Bank Abanso no first floor on Sabecom until Romana Mwa Nana Mandeda di Pen Farman Tetem Soro Yambo Bobo Semno Son Farmana Bija Fonembra Emma Me Romu Kakranem Wamane Mandedi Pano Peno Yesen Ramuni Nano elections and on Komo na Assembly Kuku Ramu Court na komodidi ni cheze ke Pfizer pay pa ye friend Abdul Alhaji Karim Grusa e baba betu ya so ntiase ye ayeze ne wawu adwaye a wudwaye no bozi o shaase ape obo semina kakra nso ne shaase ba na de ashaase afiu na ase na wafura na de basoro na babi routi obi hu zo be ka se na akwa aden bibi ha na eba na sa ya na mboa ejiozo ntiase ye aba no ye kwakoto president na year school members after no ni aba beto regional na ye ne sa enyiyi ejiozo regional di kanba ansana winner ba ne ade a jezem ko ekukuru mo court eneso ye san ko ekoko trans a ya sa bomode etu di asheda se ye be san akwa kan asem no on the 28th September ejeba ne se ya na jezen hyehyɛ ya MP4 years 27 September yen kone yen konkonkoto aba no enya de se betimi aye adwuma enti eno so ye de aba nyaba be wrama mu nkomo no ye bomode na ye de atodwa etimi edi ama ne wramu sa no era no aso na baba betodwa ze George Fie appeal kokko no ewramu no ni no yabo etimi de agu empefo gidi so musoma enye yi eno mo resere niema esi ekono sere mu nkomo no esi etia emo amantoto ye nko yi kra etimi emfa momo ne no na ro ni chiemo ni team ni ma opimpa ba ko obo den ne di akotene wo mpa no Abdul Salam Yakubu ene bizanza na nkomo no se ni ate no pen enchemu na nkasa se ni siete
me de em plan je be bibia em say how can I say Bawumiani Jomama Bawumiani Jomama be ko election Ghana yes ya disqualify ba ko ne dia sumtu aba eno mi jira so make so mbuni pa no we be da ko election so obeko say yango to so aba yango ye le president on what condition from day one person ko on oppose then you have to lobby and you have to lobby and lobby well e ko aba person obeko on oppose but unko jina Congress unko jina na unke kan say we na unka so be for we di say unko on oppose said it on what condition? Are you very bad?
Elti anoye commande Abdul Salam Yakubu abomodere atujani nebwa mani amadeda di imperative yere mom the Black Queens awramu o Kigali nra yere to anim so omo ko akwa qualify ni omo ene Rwanda minor ene de ebo ani ntie Maria no kokodu e na join ya onya videos bi na ahra atumu zampa omoni agiye papa omo eboa mani amadeda di imperative mom to we no eye training na chese ewramu na hyehyɛ no adeda imperative yere mom na William Esun sensem no ene sere ne mesiti na manya the current black meteor steamer no ye part of no omakeka omonsase kakra enya 13,000 Ghana cedis eri akwa koma esu so munuano no na oni omoa na esi akan o wesere ne mesi ko ne de ato no na betima to omumu bia enti onje omobom pesa ho de ne beba na wasen ababa beto aso abo edwuma na abo amane ma de de amwa crowd to koma so ye no ene nhwehwe omo yenie omo ebobo friendly game back omo ne Edis FC ene de bebo ene 3 pm na ekoso opomai sports complex nchemu no ejeza no pe team na ekoko training ye no ebe reste omo manya akonya training no ene be kwa akobo da game no na abo mane ma de de amamo na crowd ya Kumasi Asante Korokoso maso ye no na omo joma home ne omo mo de no mo training mi no anope ya omo training o Paju Park ewianso no omo se Romo no mako akwa ku training na abo na hyehyɛ no adaye so etimiera mo na no me se hyehyɛ nkomo bi aso wa ha ni nyina ne fa gate fee ho sense me du baby na se na nkofo bi mu gibi ni ade na kwa me dankwa na MC no ba ye nkofo yi omo so omo nkasa mfa makro bia no okan bi ze wadi ho nkomo kakra na se no de atodwa
rekwa no ye functional statement a facility na ye use no get musika e na wo ye adwuma. So why do you far kwa foforo so na kaka na beba ho no obeje free yourself and there yam permanent CBM and no there I am saying it here as a leader of the supporters and say yam permanent CBM da all the money must come to the club so that at the end of the day and the sika and because of my position I make a summer club and I don't want to use those figures on semi-day official one figures I made it in the kotokonya kwa out here hakakra sika no kwa ya 2 din mpo ohwe de strike the down the mark otoko no a na hwe do man egu stadium no a I just say we be say kozero ejuma hu but here premise ade ni sibi o sa adwene no o ma ye no what the period a obi amfi o mo a o ma fa ne say e o mo koko period anytime kotoko bebo no atadwe o ma te de afa no o mo boa ara kuni no be no this time
ati ano ye command na cheso pimpa no bo modern etimi editu dwa bio
yeah
eramu kakre
Medasi P. Mamen Kotemana quickly, Miaminia, Yanokwe, a very happy birthday. Yan, Juma, or Tema Development Corporation, or sign CEO of Big Joe's Organic Wache, Yanokwe, NPP Penny for more Tema Nabakuno. Yan, happy birthday. Yanko Ponshana Dioyebia Enye. Elections, we've been very magnanimous in our approach towards it. May catch you say. Obama said GFA elections when someone said I've been very, very magnanimous. They say my fan low cra. Asama Benina Itiawa. Both the elections committee and the appeals committee say Jeffrey Asaya and Netihano or sign document Emma Victory Warriors are Ewenchi. Now he is not mandated to do so. And Georgia Free any endorsement of Victory Warriors the man no ye kan ka ho a enye ye George Free Efrim ne tintin ene ne tietie nyina eno no enkomra ye and some of Georgia Free kan ba kokra no omutie ba ko say ka panel near 5 na 6 almost say emrem say obetimi afa obi abeka ho 6 person na now do follow our acting as secretary ne tintin ne tietie nyina no nti se de aduru no ye koto aba on the 27th a racket ESO Kraku ono na ojinem na ato aba asan de yin still maintain as GFA president na Rebecca say send wa kan cruise our court
yes
then to about the 27th send e kan it's been adjourned to 28 until say be this accept no be elections no be ano kra no you are in contempt of court ntino you be hwede empanyu for beka na etiebi but that is the current situation now. I'm watching straight into this camera and telling the FA, say, having been this magnanimous, if we hear cr, you be rabbit power and the US embassy and bring the entire football system down in 1 week.
Are they DNC?
They are aware. That's why I'm watching into the camera.
They are aware.
They are aware.
But as good.
Assemble NSC because it's a family on wire for.
And 2 days,
1 week. You're almost 7 days. 7 days. Bet power.
Sompa Sports.
And the US embassy can bring the entire system down. If they are ready, I'm ready. Baby Nessie. So no move say ada. Oh, they are aware. Good. And I only wa hwefo no wetie no. Ekosi say di mu hwa moda. Ya be twa ntra che moda. Oduro safocus ye twa tro ofia no hwan na nanim gu ase mene no. No Ghana for nie omon community. Football no obi ape. E public good. Ye nyina ye ntimi nkoye football man nye. Me da so ne say me vice chancellor. Also da so ne say obeye GFA president obia ne baby onam ne mom se mentimi andi no kra ma me ho ata wo kwaku metimi adi no kra ma
dabi
what I say ne mom mo anya visa ne bi no mo kama no ntum
ara ye cheche visa
omudi wa ha pam
omo cheche visa
mudi wa ha pam
visa na ye
ya follow mu nyina ba ko fo nkwa do club nipa 3 from management team ne ko ya bounce omu nya adwempa omu team nka mo be cha mo bi anya bi. I don't know the kind of people who do football in this country. One club, Black Stars, I come out to US. Who the nipa 3
team bako
3 and I call Sumo. Now much individual no be anya bako. Now Majid Moro Tiano or Kem and I call World Cup no cry for Mankobi. I don't know the kind of people who do football. But Enyame Yamamo. I don't pity you. I don't. Black Stars I call Bobo. You call US. Once I'm Mokaka, Moya meeting Bomi, the Omoka Semunyai. Nyame sa no tuaka kon nam panyu for so mo we frame me fa me passport ma o ya me mobo na so bi sani pana na wo ne kasa no say na akwa no o ye sure me se mba beto me wo ho
ameba na o you
na me wo ho. I got my visa when I got my visa in May me call Morocco me de me passport to hotel on and if you for no cover him and no visa say me passport ya mamu monko tena fie din mo amunya bi no mo ya de mre no so amon so na monko wanya bi ne nche se Ghana nhye edwa bia ne de ba nti wanya bi enya hwe kobo panyin bi asobo. Second case mo amukogu Moses Parker mukogu ni so chairman famiko US e wo hotel ho no omo record mu video no so me copy wa abalate yendi mu ntroda na no mo ball ni wie me de ama ball ni wie na omo call mu hotel ho no na mu nyina mu kra mu passport yem fa monko. I'm telling you sad
Africa
ai debi me de ama kobo friendly match bi wo US
no na me kan me che me de ama ball Africa
omo na kwesi de ye mi ra kwesi de ye omo chairman na famiko US na Moses debi yesrem yenye ne sa who dem am wine home omo na kwesi say bi come ache mi ra
oh then azobo kaze also
na men kan chero US State Department no omo foreign programs na ba ko and omo dey invite a Ghanaian club so omebo almost start eduana efa unassailable lead no they were working with us closely. You were aware lead, you know. You get the point. They were working with us closely. And you know Ghana mo amukọ eni nyina ejimu 2,120 Ghana cedis as visa fee. Mo e bounce mo no. But me dey am for no mo ntua visa fee. Oh, okay. The US government has absorbed everything. Into come most is so on your passport akoye dey. Obo 3 na obo 2. And the number is limited. Masa kakrebi
as almost 25
omo ye team nukra no ye hu dodo on be continue rei wani abere hu Moses wan fa man ko adwuma be no ayama Moses on fa ko US no
e be ahwe manim din
nipa 25 100 people ya be ne fa
e be ahwe manim din ya abrabo na me na mokruma na ne Jonathan so akasa so a ma me mbo abra na obre
na se so wa ntena ha
na bra ya se na me de amanko gu omo ani ma semra
no mo ba plan motivation
yesremo adwuma ye ne kama currently abane de mo na mo nyama ba na moto se na no make chairman no we will hold you accountable after the elections nemum se mo pa I'm ready atami ni me my ready wow you ready wow you man enough wow do so am no edin kama no wa ba atena se me so metia ye nyina ye nko adamam information oh me hunu obi ada
me wazem na o kanaze
o na ma hye we no hood e dey akọ mo hotel o Morocco ahun si akromfo bi wi o musika ma me kan kyeremo omba o mutimi ka za nyampa
obi nti
o number 4 players nan kan jo say wi o musika business kan yetua
dabi
o musika na chidi check ko kyeremo mo dressing room say check ni o mo hye gini wi o mo meje no sika no yetua kasa na kasa
but o ma ya de o no matimi
asake ka o mo nsase ho na me kama semesi mo a mo ntua nkura yi ka o ma sake ka o mo nsase enye skadi amom colleague oyare a oda wu paso management committee ani ma do matu abi achi matu abi but players na mo de om koye no on coaches na organize om obi ad ne de aka ho esuji yenua no account 19 a na account na mo fi say ne den but look at that sankra no om ne om ko Morocco no om group stage no om qualify to semi-finals and om qualify omo qualify debi
omo mando
nti omo sika ombenya no Algeria bonus no mfa ma esu atro letter so oda wupa so oda yare kete so onya sika ntaduro nti emfa ne de ma no ti nyina agi so obi ayare ansa. I'm sorry but look I'm all for the politics of football and everything. Nemum ball ye bre mizadu mu ko ba nye players ibra am be na supporters any Argentina bobo.
Sompa sport.
That's a player now ko ball no ye de ne ka o be da bo. When dey as a pan e sha ben. Yeah ye ka o free say bibi but hwe no bia wa unim so na obokwa ku didi obi atem WhatsApp platform Facebook and say Twitter so see na nsan no hu ya omo no mu didi amanfo atem all because omo peket asem na omo adoso. Enye ket asem no mu pe omo pe visa. Nti anye yi hwe na wanya tokoso adi atem toso dabi wanya bi oh nana wanya bi no menko tena baabi anka se wagya wadwuma no di mpanyimfo atem saa di unuanom centrofo atem saa koso we en centronia pa o visa de kono I visa en nan centrofo de adwuma o US o I visa also pe B1 B2 ba onim B1 B2 difference ana akwa de nana
big can be one beat.
We nyina yasem.
would the American visa
we in Centruni ampa ke ukwa ombe bisa opa ukwa se sia so pa visa first question ombe bisa say we in Centruni ampa o ka say why the card we na dey ache wakwa akọkọva in Centro dwumadi bi da I me kokova Ghana ni we ewe him yenhwe na dey ache no problem na ade na we in Centroni a udi ni internet so udi no o paper no me to me no ma Google udi yeah the guy asked me straight.
Now, even when you are going to school in America and you go to American embassy, bisa a question about your social media handle.
Of course.
Why you bisa you share you be be crown my hair commodity
I think the lady that guy a lady interviewed me.
I was me there no man can do us out.
Obo.
Maybe they have one do us out. Okay, so obianity. Obianity.
Ah, waka baso.
Obianity. Obi on mo kwa do it share ni na obianity. Go who the no we lady na yin na.
I know kai kwa kofa sama ba. Enti ye be say football paying for say yenhwe na yemfa ne omengu akwam na bibia ntimi nkonkan na bibia anye kama.
Amate.
Enra meeting no so we down. Ye meeting for National Sports Authority penyin no na betu nanum to wa. So share kotoko IMC for nyame adoma nra. Omu share ni si sen. Ko se mo bia mfo bia sika nwa na nka. Me da se pi.
We say everybody about be doing come on Mr. Dua. Ye no ne be din komo na ye reram. Ti say the Bishop D kan ken no ra. Haya na didi din komo na National Sports Authority paying pa na ka che ze meeting be koso. And say Mr. Dukra time na IMC no enyi ne say ne omu na enjina mu kasa mfama team no danda nyina na fidioma ye ne no nti o wa mekona ye no na didi din komo akra na mo Roxy travel see en kan fanchoza akunya na ba okwa akwa ejuma amono ne okwa akotena ho ana akwa akusua de okwa akobobo a ye bebo na etimi de ram US no nubi nkomo ne ye didi ne ye do beko ye do kwa ye je we permitted ama peso ko cha de o ayahwe na ye timi aboa ama de so na bomede ama Canada UK ye the health workers ne na eko na health workers no o ye nurse doctor and afu ye midwife ana lab technician akunya na ba etimi de ama factory jobs no abu baby ti Australia ye do beko akwa kuramu baby ti se New Zealand obeko akwa ko ye ejuma baby ti se Israel and afi minor ebi ti se Turkey ne Poland nyina no ye robe kono akọ etimi akọ akọbo ejuma o ye driver na o ye cleaner ana o ye obi eba ne security job no nim na ni so pa ye do be ro Bahamas no so no akọ akọbo ejuma the Bahamas no ho no eben Florida entubo ejuma kakra na ni wanya akwanya romo US akọ akọto aso na ne ma de din pere ama na marijuana mwanya from fiedu otwede ko animu no ye penkofo de mo romo Albania wakọ akọtena fie osikani ne nchen na awo na wahwe na ye ntutue ni ye na aboa na bibia de ye pa etimi ra mana mu nkomo no ni nchimu no serisi etie ne se okọ no wakọ akọhwe ne ba eti romu se bia ne hanga nyina robeko akwakuram na drivers no baby ti se Kazakhstan and afi Dubai, Qatar, Kuwait ni nyina mu ye robeko open scholarship romo China, Canada, Belarus and US akwakusua de re ne aboa ticket booking na afi reservation private jet rentals no ye re ne du ujuma eboa ma ne ma de da impede ma na birth certificate ne passport na pa ye re na ya aboa ma ne ma de dia 025 7776730 and you Kumasi number no 025 na 055 7607 055 Kumasi opomo asafu VIP station gori home tag board no obenyo mo na Kaswa CPOC Methodist Church no Accra number ni 0244 613 237 0244 613 237 yamwa na ne mande da yepa entimi emfamanti mami ni komo emra me bape na me ni Mr. Duaba ababa beto aso wonderful na bibia aboko de
boko fanyi azwe
o nyame adom me so me ho ya bibia eko kama pa no pe de ye ba waso ya wani twa sere niema isi kokọ ne ade no pe na yete se komodidi asen akoso a ekokuru am high court no data ye fix yes yen konkoto ya be 27 September no ena so yentimi anka asem na wiere ko 28 September minim eba ni say ansusu anso no se na sitie na de anso na o kan refa san jewe ho
ofanye me dase ma mo fi nchia Asante Maria because ogbo ebukuru no wanchia na otimpa mo ona na tsankonya nyina na munni time na nchia nana ntihima on na tsankonya na fe obibia oji obia simple thing ni amene ni say wo be ye ade na say court the taboo to so obi the taboo to so court near country say you be call push ya to a yes and san and ya wo ye na wa ya don't say okay the baby every from their timetable no then go say 27 for you be trouble na Alaji Bruce court say the timetable no a share convention you know court in Nimano. And this about postponed to 28 the NHS elections in the mass. And no, they didn't send the brief that time about.
You know, we're not about Sunday Zembe Brabechi.
Yes, because one, come I edit about also, or country say all processes, election processes, I will FA, yeah, hold on. After the natural buy, we answer Prosper Harrison, because they were expecting a notice of injunction here and the office for a certain day. Your man made the decision, but Georgia Free and any man here in the Yaman can be so appeal. Publication of the decision or the verdict of the elections committee acting as the vetting committee, you know, and you're part of the process of the election.
A part.
Say a part of the process. No, with the injunction to sue. Now, I want to stop the process. Now, within that same period, the injunction you need to go on. Why is this? Any contempt?
As our pepe.
Book. I mean, the baby, I'm not considered Dana. You mukos. Obia and your injection was so no ko yibi but there be American Cameroon nka obe pro e wo prison because content ya dia Sompa sport the most dangerous offense I obey because okay constitution na content no enya written law I will minimum and maximum sentences so and no there even though enya written law no it's no there. Despite 11, 1911, 1912, Superior Court has been given the power to punish people for contempt of itself. And there is a judge in the court now. Not when you know who said, who can have before. Ali, what's in the 2 by 1 year? Who can't let me hear. Apart from that, because I stayed in the Francophone country for 12 years. Respect for law and order, me prepare. Well, unfortunately, Ghana, you'll be iron out for the enemy. My answer, you see, Salaji Bruce and a court. Nothing the area for 28. The area for 28 here, where what is qualified will be iron cast in New Year. The implication and the meaning, lawyers in the country.
Bro, when also there na can found on appeal na buy no so no ya body out to baby is omo gidi ze enkrata na omo di kan hwem ni decision na omo de be no ano mu kura mu nei George Fie ba bi gina nyeye de ba ne se ne e beto aba na yenya 30 years okra ko kon no post minim eno zo wo bibi abeka de afa won decision na appeal na e ba be ram no
ya meka ne se appeal de bi asa na meka no so is by several decisions, judicial decisions, very porous and hollow. The yellow any but what's in here and something kind so what can be here? Well, the way they behave was every on now. No, if we say lawyer for now, but we feel say I will football you go school down. Number one, every lawyer knows to say any judicial body. The woman decision or ruling, high court, heading, comes with the name of the judge because one panel member. Oko appeal committee, it comes with the names of the 3 judges. Oko Supreme Court ruling, it comes with the names of the 5 Supreme Court judges who sat on the case. In the case of election committee decision against Georgie. There was no name mentioned. Who were the panel members? Apart from Chairman Ayetro Nidi Toho. Meanwhile, the man says, yes, this regulation, which they say, finally a 5. Back out of the 5 in second. But I saw 6 people sitting there. Then in the decision, appeal committee, well, 6 persons, a lawyer, or for administrative, as they say. Where in the decision of the election committee at each state said that person was only offering administrative duties. Because if you list the panel members, you list the chairman, the vice chairman, all other members, the member secretary, you list it there. If there's somebody, then you go in attendance. But that is what happened. In attendance, then you put somebody there, area secretary, administrative officer, GSA, or legal person, GSA. All these things were not seen in the decision. And not mentioned. Oh, appeal committee, when we said that I'm a bar, advocate in the bar, I'm a bar.
Yes.
The question said, Niamadi Koswa, and yet, how can appeal committee be appeal against a decision of the lower committee? Punching holes our decision based on which our ground, the appeal committee will say, this appeal is by way of rehearing, so we will not consider the grounds as stated by the party. Then what is the appeal for? Is that what the appeal committee is supposed to do?
Yes.
Ordinary grounds are by where I will not consider it. What I was saying is, I'm not going to see the Kofi. The same appeals committee and Judge Free's decision, they boldly state that this appeal is by way of rehearing, so we shall not consider the extensive grounds submitted by Judge Free. Where is the fairness? And what kind of appeal committee decision is that? Now, number 3, Judge Free. It's a kind of decision. Actually, come out with say, me here record of proceedings. Every lawyer knows say, court have a decision after all for appeal. You apply for record of proceedings. I have actually you will see cross examination. Every that you produce any ever mention. Then he said, evidence now so they conclude I'm okay recorded recordings of Free but in the next one, more with the unedited version of all these audios and videos, so that I'll be able to build my ground. Then the election committee, headed by a lawyer, right to it is not a practice. We don't give record of proceedings. A part of 3-page decision. Record of proceedings are. Panel members didn't end the decision. Panel members didn't end where a record of proceedings. According to school, whatever. One time, man. But you see what happened? The appeal committee now in their decision make reference to the review of audio and video recordings of Battles and Jeffrey Asari. When Judge Free had been denied access to those evidences, why will you make reference to it? And based on that, take a decision. What type of judicial process is that?
Honorable Mate, na minimze ene no nkomo we no ne yemre na ye ya. O de minyawa ya na me penny full package pa na. Minimze ye be san kasa mre nti. Why?
No problem. No problem.
And you know your Kofi Manu Blue Boy, and now you're calling the Cocodine Comacra. My name is Mr. Dunsan Remo. Now you're more Comoca crack, Crobia Hong Como. Mr. Duaquaba, I will my juice brew. Now, Bajo Bibiabo, already are doing one pipe or Bibia. That is a Dakujachi project in a chassis on Sema Nimesico. Meaning, latest update in it to say.
That's it. And chetty for na Chakasia Susufri IMC chairman and the committee in National Secretary Chairman, Regional Chairman, and the coordinators are organ and as so much Santikotoko supporters in near woman say, on some my different and sunny, and until Adakwajachi project no eguso. Na emrepem no yesa de ho updating na bebam will be at it. For now, dear, you were matches no so.
Oh, okay. All the matches on your concentrating on the
That's right. That's right.
But, you did in common. for the National Sports Authority almost right. Concerning command minimum about is na NKDDD the home commons kwan bia fa so amwan kasa muni anso ne ade and no any is paying panic catches mbekwa kwa kushia didi nkomo meeting ni mun sensem no bobi tofa che sen isi kokoku siye hihye no sen isi tie di siye no ebi nsi bim sen na community
mami na wasibio na ne tie ne se edu ba bia so hu se ya na sebe ahwea na no sehwerema nya ne nyina so na obo meeting bi koso na ne ekodu ye ne mpanyimfo ye 4 IMC committee members no ya na kontopo hinni afere hin da no omuguso a ensi na concern nyina free ye ho any supporters no the sea stadium yibusa say aden na se blasters bomb matcha star 711 star no etimi ko sharp
star 711 national
yes
a content amon mu ze du mu de no so enko
asemna no
wow
enko kra the blaster nko ade na etimi ebie na kotokonko matches ni bia na jam eno ne yenti de honsem nyina ma nsem da wona ye kano doso afi gate sesem so beti say sikasem bi ni nema sports council no enipa so ho na ehwesa nema we nyina na ye supporters no kakra bi na ye checkese a ye kɔ bani ade nti nema no nyina no eya kodi sports council no ma ye nya akonya but mpanyifo se ye nhwe ma ne nsai senso to nra no na ya ntia ade kyen de sayeti o se ehunu ne yesi hu ye bo ho bai eno ntimi no kasa mpanyifo oguso nti ye nya supporters nya botre wo mo concern nyina yeti ne yesoso na no ye ne nanamu na nipa ne bi hu yen eni namu ne yeti obi a course amenya no wo stadium na fe de na me phone kra dum ye call ram friend kedi ne ani namu nyema ye hunu ye nyina no ye de ama ye mpanyifo sanse e wo se mpanyifo no mom no e trase wi a na aka no de maya ne yeso ya ma ye supporters
ati we ni nsipo
enyansi
se mo be me yo mo guso mo di mo ahwe na aso ano ama na
yes na o yesi ano kwa se ye hwe ma se de nkedi kai no ye ma ye sika no enwunu nko ba bi a abrayinya because se no the team is running from Manchia.
Yes.
So, anti Manchia so aka say me masika for my say anti no fresh supporters say muslim from concern la na de kwae. O say we need pressure, we need problem. Enye kotoko anko we need problem. Anti say no say Manchia so no asomu na say ya mwa ya nhwe eye ma loopholes no nyina na yantimi antuatu ade a na ye kwae na say bai. Enu nti no ye gusu ye adwuma ejide say emrepam no say ade ase no wo de dakura na site na ya na wo bre
no kra
eno nti no empayifo ye guso a ejire se ne mapa ebe babo ntema supporters
biare my first game against Panda Out of Lions game near and in a draw and over said in Nema City and de ewuram ne ade won say supporter do na aba be share park and also ma na ye hu da massive support ni bi a check akra ne ade a meaning gate fee no one sensem no ne sika seme ba ma fam no betimi aton kakra che
me da say we nyina ka ho anam ka se meetings no koso no
ade arozo ye jabotre
ye nya ho abotre ni nyina ka ho because hwe pe wo hwe nipa bae any scar o motu di ni man na ye me pese me bie ma yi so me phone mu a kire won ka me ka say ya request say o ma ye hu up to now
e de o bie so kire mo no na e wo fom pa
yes
timani anso
yeah ni so we check it as spectators buy 6,000 plus
and also more doubt
yeah ni na ye wo ho asem a ye campaign for na wo ho no ye ayo me vice o ye auditor
yes ya we pa
yes something no supporters nya bote na agro ye gon fufura ya na ni brenim agro wo gon fufura ya na ni brenim ni dum fimfi no a na bo hu city
me be we nyina no se bi ba bontia me no wa besen hia
that's right ye baba se ya nam ka se hwe man se ye fa bibia nsie na de ye de kura na titru a five we ya we kan say me gidi say IMC for pam e pai committee ya ye da no nipa num be kan ho asese ye ne communicators panyimfo ase ye mfa da kase emma nsentwofo yi na radio station for no na fe enka supporters na supporters de me wi ma ba wo so enka musanse a channel na ochi pepe ne pa ye ade chi ya na start adwuma me kura de bia me kase me hu appreciate for me tumika dada nti na nwumra nyina na mekokɔ stations bi ansa na mehu sɛ mekura no ya appoint me wɔ search yi ɛno nti no yɛda mo ase 3 days a di anim ansa ne bɔbɔ match no sɛ na musi bie makwan de ma yɛ no na ano hye ɛna nsɛntwerɛfoɔ no so ɛsa ɛboa yɛn deɛ sɛ yɛ kakra na yɛn kan yɛ kora na no no mada wɔ maka ɛde ama yɛ atɔ supporters na asum ama yɛn hu sɛ sɛ na bibi wɔ na deɛ yɛ me de kora titun sɛ kwasi apia so akasa kucha kwasi apia deɛ ɔka ne sɛ obi wɔ yawdia yɛ nipa deɛ ɔyɛ den a how kakra bi bɛba na sɛ yawdi kotokonti mpanyifo sɛ nya kɔman ka buada nya ya ɛnya kotokon 19 yɛ bra sabre abuse bi ankamada kotokonti saa na obi so na yɛ ready a wɔte ni radio hu ni TV a wɔhwɛ Sompa kotokoya ɛnu nti no akwanya mu bie ma yɛ no aboa yeye pa na supporters na se dadeɛ efiri Nyankopɔn ho straight ɛna ɛbadema supporters ne sɛ yɛte wɔn nkasa no akyɛ yɛhunu bie no akyɛ nti nansa na mode ma yɛ no ya yɛkasa yɛ na ɛtɔ makoma so mo ba sei no ɛno na ma yɛ ni abre a yɛse yɛhwɛ wɔn ma yɛ offense records no ne hu sɛ nipa sei yɛnya sika sei ne ba yɛ dɔm tete yɛ ne hwanhwan nyina wɔn ma yɛhunu na kwan a fa so a yɛnkwa star 711 yɛ wo dare na ajam no ne nyina yɛ gu so a yɛhwɛ ho asɛmaka na nkyaka sɛ free IMC no hɔ ɛne committee no ba ne sɛ ɛyɛ Santikɔtɔ supporters no adeɛ ɔma yama yɛ no ɛwiri mfida ti nana no sɛ yɛmfa sɛ da kɛseɛ ma supporters no ne mom yɛma no nso hɔ na ɛne nana no hyia na after ayi match na yɛyɛ post yɛkaka sansɛm wɔ sɛ nyina wie nam sɛ nana menko ade akaka kraw supporters no ɔma bɔmɔden na nwie pɛyɛ na nana sɛ adan nam sɛ nana wonim supporters ni bebree ayɛ adwene sɛ nka wɔn trafia ama yɛhwɛ performance na kotoko be put up no ansana omaba secondly omo pe goals atie isan say preseason nyina goals ama eno chini yakwakotena se ye ne coach atena se yakwa no ye member ba kokra NCC member ba kokra de obunkotodwe wo place na no se yes remo yewu ntino goals no ma no flow ne nsɛm a coach ka kyerɛ ye no eno ho adwuma ye hu se friendly match e bon first ye ne nsu atreman na nano match ya ono akwa pre-match no kra no wasaka ho asem na onim de me ka kyerɛ nano se supporters na de ba ko aka ne se yanka ebeka ho man nano nanka beboa yen se supporters ni bi wo fia se lack na ka de be hye go nano no na wo ho ama na wo ama park nti wadaroma yensa eda o mase ni etoto sra o se omo ma no so aye next home match no sankrofo na amana no mutifia na omo monitor no omo nsa mra emeka homa no muso na sankrofo na natifie no ebi ho na ye lack ni free
mate mo won hihye bi mo call bibi ani
ye won hihye ye ewo bibi ani se na wo kan eno nti communicators no ye betie ho agum akọ sebe radio empanyefo se empanyina wo fie no sebe buru sebe kontom sere kan obi so wo wrem so ati ase radio fo no bi wo ho supporters nso wo sakro nso nti yebekọ akọ kasa match na ye memre da efiada yebekọ akọ ye hu dede ama supporters na wo ho no so hu omo ye na wonim de ade ba kwa na high say obekọ baby no se kuma se ye 10 series 20 30 obekọ na supporters be hu se titru kuma se fo high bases ne de ba no e ho a mutimi sa to om great fee no eno na yaso ye gusu a ye di hu dwuma se e wo se omo ana hihye omo ye de bet eni kwase cutthroat prices ne de ya na ye too much nti ye bekọ na ye supporters e ho no ye no omo so akokasa na omo so atima ba betai team na chi ama bibia akoso eno danchen a virtual seat challenge no ya said ya ba na titu no enka eye foreigners no anase wo ma akwantufo no ene obi ase bia nka wo kuma we supporter na watermale untimi ma utwa bi ema ye na ye pe enti nye kuma se supporters na anase ye ne ye ben no na ye twa se wo tena fie wo twa bi nti wo tena fie da bi enam dodo nsen kwan ena no say ebi twa ticket ni man ebi nkrofo wo mo twa man nkrofo no mo asa buy virtual seat no mo sa twa bi enu nti no virtual seat 0549 76 58 42 0549 76 58 42 omuntwa no mfamwa na fa bu census no so no as at last month no ne akroko 1 million plus 1 million plus and perform for a shame. Oh, Unia, oh, you didn't go to the dorm pompo.
Madam is down to me, Zorchina, Eversensia, Yamreno,
Medasina, why? Medassi, Yabasaba, then there might be more Quamay and Quadia, Danny, Yan Pontia, Mujia Dada,
Yamati, Yadama Premier about 3 to 4, not the Akibiaba to Aswama.
One te Unipeduasia, or te Ayarisasi. As soon as say, Wapumudin, and as soon as say,